We were the first Center for Israel Studies in the United States, and we're the first university to offer a minor in Israel Studies.
The most exciting change we've seen has been the creation of the permanent chair in Israel Studies.
The Center for Israel Studies was created in 1998, and it was inaugurated by Shimon Peres.
You will help to bring together Israeli and American scholars, writers, artists, scientists, to share their knowledge and face the challenges of the new global era. This is a commendable idea and worthy of the widest support.
I remember coming here for that event and being enthralled. I moved out to DC to actually do policy, not to teach. 20 years later, I'm still here and very much involved in Center for Israel Studies.
What truly distinguishes the Center for Israel Studies is the incredible depth and breadth of its educational offerings.
We are in a position to do things that you could not do outside of DC. It allows us to have those really high-level discussions.
We have the opportunity to go to conferences when they're in town, the chance to work with embassies. While I was in Israel, thanks to the center, I really had the opportunity to engage with Israeli culture on a personal level.
We have a very comprehensive program here where students are not just able to take classes, they can intern in our nation's capital, from committees in the Congress to the Council on Foreign Relations to think tanks and different activist organizations.
The Center for Israel Studies has really done an amazing job at providing students with those diverse perspectives.
The state of Israel is a place with a vibrant economy, scientific studies coming out, medicine, the whole 9 yards. And I think the Israel Studies program is trying to make people understand that Israel is doing quite a bit for the world.
To understand the dynamics of the different narratives, we need a center like this that truly shows Israel as more than just a Jewish state. I'm not Jewish, so it's really important for my understanding.
I think at the end of the day, it's about listening and being able to really empathize with various points of view other than your own.
Knowing that there's a place like the Center for Israel Studies at American University makes me very happy and excited because of what they're teaching.
I always grew up with the understanding that there must be a Jewish state in the world. The whole struggle Israel undergoes has been present for me my whole life. It is really important for our students to get a picture of Israel as a modern, innovative, and also complex society.
Philanthropic contributions are critical to growing and establishing our program.
As a member of the board, I'm very excited about the direction the school is going. Without the Center for Israel Studies at American University, many of the students would be losing a great opportunity to learn.
One of our aims is to bring in a range of visiting fellows, scholars, artists, former politicians, who can be with us for an extended period of time to bring the full range of Israeli culture to the center.
Support for the center is so important. If we did not have your support, we would not be able to build the next generation of students.
The Center for Israel Studies has been doing this good work for 2 decades now. It's been a pathbreaker and a leader in pushing American University onto the national and international stage.
Our students come to American University to get to the bottom of issues and to make the world a better place.